I think it's the concentration of expertise in C++ specifically. I mean, it's all in the name. It's been really great to just like hang out with these experts and just like pick their brains and, you know, absorb their knowledge.
My name's Yannic. I work at EngFlow, and we do all sorts of cool things with build systems and build acceleration, distribution. And I'm going to talk about how I came to completely change my talk and write that title. And it's a bit of a recursion in itself. So we have a company policy that states that anyone going to a conference should have at least a lightning talk if there's no main talk submitted. And so I had to find something to come up with an idea. And so I was looking back at what I did in the past year and a half. And I thought to myself, like, I did a lot of like code injection in CMake because I needed to make things work that were not really meant to work together. And that seems to be like something that everyone here would like to hear about, right? I came up with that beautiful list of things that I should definitely share with y'all, like what's CMake project include before and friends do, how they interact with the toolchain file, and then talk about like more edgy things like eval and defer, and how to sprinkle all of that nicety to do really obscure things. But the first thing I really need to do is not just list all of these variables on a slide deck. I need to find a story, something to make this entertaining, a bit interesting. So yeah, because that's not a cool title for a lightning talk, right? So I thought about things I discussed with Bill and with Ben Buckle, and I was like, we should make this, right? We're going somewhere, so how to have fun with your coworkers, like add some motivational quotes instead of message status outputs that are useful. Just mix up things, right? So I went on that slippery slope of twisting this weird idea further and further, because, well, why not just add some additional, very pedantic compiler flags everywhere, especially for that one coworker's platform, you know? But I was having ideas you can't even imagine. I mean, yeah, I ended up at this, which I have a playbook. Anyone interested, like, come talk to me. I know how you can get this. I had very nasty ideas. But so after hammering out a couple of those ideas, I have actually half a slide deck for this. I was just like coming to the realization that I was making everyone's life even worse. I mean, I don't need to participate in this. The universe has already produced terrible build systems. We just need to put enough of it together. We'll get through the 40 years. So I was like, well, maybe I should do the right thing, teach, preach, warn about like the evil, nasty things. But no, can't fit that in 5 minutes, no way. It's like, okay, when life gives you minutes, you scrap everything and go meta. I said, like, okay. I went through that whole process of having nearly a lightning talk, and I was like, that sounds also interesting of telling y'all how I ended up here giving that talk. And we are at the real time in the slide deck right now, and the only thing I really need to finish this up is a great call to actions. Like, we are here as a company sponsoring the CppCon, so I need to tell y'all what we've been doing. And as a good developer, I'm testing stuff. So I was like, how can I make you all visit what we've been doing? So it's this thing called hermetic fetch content. And it's really cool for complex third-party dependency trees. And I was like, I can beg, basically, grabbing attention, something cute. I could come up with something ultra informative, plenty of keywords, with subtle messaging. Or I could settle for a Google QR code. You have 3 seconds. Thanks for listening.